So I had a crazy idea, and that was to turn myself into Bubbles, my profile picture, because why not? Life is short, and sometimes you just gotta be Bubbles, I guess. I'm gonna put my hair away with this brush because I do not have a hairband. Okay, first I'm gonna do the eyebrows. I'll do that, I guess. Easy question. Do Powerpuff Girls even have eyebrows? I have never seen their eyebrows. This one hair is ruining my life, but let's move on. I'm gonna use this weird foundation because I forgot I had it. Looks like I took a break to have a concert. Legit, I do love this foundation. It's so fluffy. You ever took a moment to smell your concealer? Because that smells weird. Anyway, I did some concealer because Bubbles, she can't look tired like this. So contoured a little bit. Bubbles doesn't look like a contour queen to me. You know, we need some color. We need some color in my face. I transform into Blossom. You guys tore me apart about the purple eyeshadow, so I decided to do purple eyeshadow. And I'm imagining Bubbles with freckles. I don't care, okay? You cannot stop me. And here's where everything went south. I decided to cut my hair. I concluded that Bubbles has curtain bangs, and I decided to give myself curtain bangs. I messed it up. I did mess it up a little bit. In the end, it turned out okay. I think it looks cute. Tell me if you want me to do Buttercup as well. This is what it looks like. You're supposed to just take it and apply it on your eyebrow. I have been using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Genius for months now. And I'm here to give you guys an update. It is supposed to make your eyebrows healthier and thicker and fuller. These are my eyebrows now. You can see I have nothing on. They are so much fuller. I'm going to link my previous video in the description so you can see my eyebrows before. This is a whole eyebrow transformation. I seriously did not expect this much progress. It's super easy to use as I shown in the previous video. You just put it on your eyebrows. And over time, your eyebrows really do get thicker and they do get healthier. I thought there was no saving my eyebrows and look at them. I am super happy with the results. If you want to glam up your eyebrows, I would definitely recommend you try the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Genius. It is an eyebrow miracle. For everyone who cries like it's an Olympic sport, this is the one for you. I just added the blue lenses because I decided they would fit the aesthetic. I think that's really important also is a lot of blush. I mean, go crazy with the blush. Blush everywhere. I used liquid blush and then also powder blush. Just make sure it looks natural and not like you have a raging rash. And we need tears. We need to look like we cried. Anything will really work. Some glitter or some glitter eyeshadow. And I also smeared it on my eyelids and my nose because we're going for a wet look. For the eyes, you just want to frame them and make them look expressive. For the lips, just something pinky, you know, the crying vibes. I wanted the skin to look dewy, so I used some setting spray. And I finished everything off with a lot of gloss. Gloss everywhere. If you're lazy and want to skip all of these steps, just get cheated on, you know. Things as a 25-year-old I wish I knew when I was younger. No one cares, okay? I used to be really worried about what people think. I didn't want to do things because I was afraid of other people's opinions. At the time, I actually realized that in the long run, no one really cares. Even if you make a complete idiot out of yourself, in a few months, no one is going to remember that. Just do the things you want to do and don't care about other people's opinions. Not everyone has to like you. You don't like all the people you meet. So why does everyone have to like you? Stop doing things for other people to like you. Start doing things for yourself. Because trust me, ultimately, you're the only one taking care of your own interests. You don't need to be in a relationship. I just always feel this kind of pressure to be in some kind of a relationship. Because a lot of people are getting into relationships really young. And there is nothing wrong with that. That is not for everyone. Don't feel bad if you're not in a relationship or didn't find that person. Enjoy yourself and build a good relationship with yourself. Because that's the one you're going to have to stay in for the rest of your life. If he wanted to, he would. Stop telling yourself differently. Who cares about you is going to do anything to be with you. Stop settling for the bare minimum. With people in general, not just in relationships. Never say the words, he would never cheat on me. I don't think I need to explain that one too much. Sometimes it's better to play dumb. People will show you their true colors a lot quicker if they think you don't know what's going on. Don't ever accept a drink from a stranger. A lot of pictures and videos because one day you're going to be like, why didn't I take a picture of this moment? Wish I had this memory. Don't let the bad things that happen to you consume your mind. A lot of bad things happen to you so you could learn a lesson. Trust your gut feeling. Not fitting in and not thinking is the same as everyone else is not a bad thing. Don't expect too much and you won't be too disappointed. Wear sunscreen. And be selfish. One thing that you always wanted to do but was scared, just do it. Because it may end up changing your whole life.
Hey guys, and welcome to my girlfriend's basic biatch makeup tutorial. Step 1, she's going to be applying some powder to make her look more tan because she hasn't seen sunlight in 2 weeks. And now she's going to be taking small, above average concealer stick. The thing that she did with her nose is a bit sus, but I believe in her and she knows what she's doing. Now she touches her face with a soft pinky eggy thingy and puts red dots. Okay. More face tapping. This is where the magic happens, because this is not the person who I'm dating. I don't know what this is, but she does like martinis. I know she's feeling herself now. I can see it in her eyes. Slay that black wiggle thingy, I guess. Focus is on the maximum because her OCD is gonna kick in. This is some medieval torture device to make her thingy look bigger. And voila, this is what she makes me wait an hour for. I'm obsessed.
90s makeup tutorial. Using the new Rose Metals palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. First, I blended a transition shade to smoke out the eye. Ironically, it's called Ashes. I wanted to make it look more dramatic cause this was giving Sunday brunch. I framed the eye with the darkest shade. And Viola, that's how you get Bella from Wish. I love this look, and Anastasia Beverly Hills killed it with this palette once again.
Get ready with me to go to Coachella! I'm just kidding, I'm not going to Coachella, and here's why. Let me tell you this wonderful story while I get ready. I could have gone to Coachella, no problem. As some of you may know, I live in Croatia. Croatia. And that is in fact in Europe. So for me to go to Coachella, I should have actually organized the trip at least like a month before, you know? And that would not have been a problem. A month ago, I was in a relationship, you know, the ship of a relation. He didn't like it when I traveled without him. And he did not want to go to Coachella. As a Cancerian queen myself, I hate conflict. I despise conflict. So I was like, okay, I'm not going. Let me tell you a little secret. That was a mistake. Please don't ever think like this. As that one song says, I forgot I was a bad bitch. Tragic. And it's a little too late to go to Coachella because it's literally like today. But you know what? I can still do my makeup how I would if I did go. That's pretty sad. It's actually not. I'm gonna feel so good after this. So I don't usually wear eyeshadow. And I feel like we should change that, you know? I think this is close to that eyeshadow. Okay, now a little bit here. I actually can't believe I'm doing this to stay home and eat noodles. So far, so good. God, I hate this. This is the thing I hate. And the last thing is, I don't really know where I'm going, but I'm gonna put them randomly. This is kind of what I did. Now I have to repeat it. Chances of this being the same are 0. Okay, this is starting to look seriously good. The noodles did not deserve this. I'm sorry, but who is she? I did not know I looked like that. Damn. I love it. The lipstick I'm actually gonna do with an eyebrow pencil. It's like the perfect brown. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of pink. Just, you know, for vibes. Currently, you know, I would actually date myself. I'm gonna go do my hair. And you know what's up? I'm gonna get back to you with a little transition. Something cute. And I am definitely taking this out. Like, for sure. See you soon. Hold up. Transfer-proof lipsticks that are actually comfortable, we gotta try it. Now, I have heard a lot of good things about these Kaleidos lip clays. Yes, they're officially called lip clays, not lipsticks. Today, we're gonna try them out. Again, Kaleidos with the packaging unmatched. Look at the details. They come in this little box. This shade is called Dahlia. I love a good red lipstick. Another interesting shade is Queen of the Night. By the way, these are really good when you layer them on. It looks good with one layer, but the second layer gives it a deeper color. I like to try it out on my lips. This shade is called Dune. It looks so pretty. Okay, let's see my clean hand. And there was nothing. Okay. Let's try more shades. Okay, now I'm gonna try Mahogany. Didn't expect to like it this much, but this is like made for me. The last shade I'm gonna try is Rubino. I love it like this, but I'm gonna try to go for a second layer. Oh my god, I love it even more like this. You guys, this is the one. Go get these. Trust me. Run, don't walk. Hold up. Are we gonna make this happen? Because I can kind of see it happening. Now, if you don't see the vision right now, trust the processo. I'm going to make myself look like Lola from Shark Tale. And making my childhood dreams come true. I'm sorry, but she was always the hottest fish. And you cannot deny that. Lola, here I come. I'm gonna do some complexion. Cause Lola's, you know, smooth. Also, my friend is picking me up in 20 minutes, so we gotta hurry up. Now the question is, should I do red eyebrows? I'm doing red eyebrows. She does have a little bit of contouring going on, so I guess we're doing that. I will contour my nose, even though she doesn't have a nose, because she's, you know, a fish. But I'm human and I do have a nose, so yeah. Powder myself. Oh. As I was saying, a little bit of powder. Gotta add some more contour, because even the fish has a better tan than me. Okay, now the red eyebrows. Now we add red. Is it just me or is this Loki like cool? So the brows are here. I don't know if I love them or hate them. I will move on to the eyeshadow. I think I'm going in with the pink first. It just seems like a logical way to go, you know. Just keep swimming, swimming. Okay, she has purple eyeshadow. I think it's gonna look bad, but I'm risking it all. Is this the right shade of... That did not go as planned. Oh, this is bad. I'm gonna keep adding purple until it makes sense. This is absolutely horrific. But you know what they say, even shit looks good with glitter on it. But we are moving in a direction for sure. Time for the lenses. Oh, bam. I think it's slowly getting a little Lola-esque. She has some eyeliner going. Okay, now her lips. She's got some juicy lippies. Time for that trend to work. I don't know how do y'all do it. I'm gonna finish everything and I'm gonna get back. And this is the finished look. I would say it's pretty accurate. Now, is it giving the vibes? Is it giving what it needs to give? I want to make this a series, so tell me which character I should do next. And yeah, tell me what you think about Lola.